Ever notice how some people just draw others in, like magnetically? You probably think it's charm or looks or luck. Nope, it's psychology. And once you know these five tricks, you'll understand why people are attracted to certain people and how to become one of them. Let's go. Trick one, ask someone for a small favor. Sounds weird, right? But here's the psychology. When someone does you a favor, their brain rewires it. They think, I must like this person if I'm helping them. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. People like those they help more than those who help them. Ask for help, watch them fall for you. It works. Trick two, when laughing in a group, glance at the person you like. Your brain connects that moment, laughter plus eye contact, as a sign of connection. They'll remember that as a moment you two connected. Even if you were just laughing at a joke, it's a micro signal of intimacy. They won't know why, they'll just feel it. Trick three, don't correct people when they're wrong. When you let someone feel smart around you, they become magnetic to you. If you correct them, you create a tiny moment of shame. Their brain remembers that. But if you let them feel smart, you become the person who makes them feel good about themselves. People don't remember what you said, they remember how you made them feel. Make them feel smart. Trick four, say their name once in the middle of a conversation. Just once, naturally, slipped into the flow. People's names trigger a part of their brain that makes them feel seen. They won't know why, they'll just feel like you really get them. That's the power of their own name. Trick five, slow your speech by 10%. Fast talkers seem nervous, anxious, unsure. Slow talkers, they seem in control, confident, like they know something others don't. When you don't rush, people lean in. They think, this person must be worth listening to. Calm authority, that's attractive. So here's the truth. Attraction isn't magic. It's psychology. Use these five tricks wisely. Be the person people are drawn to, not because you're fake, but because you understand how humans work. Now go out there and be magnetic.